Welcome to my channel. Importance of testing. Testing is essential to point out the defects and errors made during finding a solution to some problem. It helps in improving a solution. If one solves a problem and someone else uses that solution for commercial purpose, then the commercial activities depends upon the correctness of that solution. For example, if we develop a solution for finance management and some banks start using it, then any error in that solution may result in a financial loss. So, testing is important for a solution. A car is delivered to a customer after testing. Upon launching a new car, it is usually tested with a robot driver who hits the car with a wall. It is used to test whether the airbags and other security systems are functioning or not. Moreover, it also allows the car designer to suggest further security measures to reduce the damage. This test can help to make a car safe. So, testing helps to improve quality. Types of test data. Creation of proper and sufficient test data if is one of the key activities to improve quality of a solution. Each type of solution requires different data. Types of test data include valid test data. It is the test data that compiles with the input requirements of the algorithm. If an algorithm is supposed to take a numeric value between 1 and 100 as input, then any value between 1 and 100 is valid test data. Invalid test data. It is the data that does not improve. Invalid test data. It is the data that does not comply with the input requirement of the algorithm. It is necessary to make sure that the solution correctly works. For invalid values shows the relevant messages notifying the user that the provided input values are improper. Boundary test data value. A solution is tested on extreme values. For example, to calculate interest, we can consider principal amount as 0 or a very high amount. Wrong data formats. It is wise to check how the system reacts on the entering data in an inappropriate format. For example, giving an alphabet as input when a numeric value is expected. Absent data. It is also important to investigate that the solution still works if less number of inputs are given than expected. For example, if a system asks to enter driving license number, then everyone cannot provide this information. It is important to see how the system reacts in such situations. Verification and validation. Verification means to test if the solution is actually solving the same problem for which it was designed. For example, if we are asked to give a solution for calculating compound interest, then verification means to know that it is giving result for compound interest, not for the plain interest. Validation means to test whether the solution is correct or not. For example, if you are asked to give a problem solution for calculation compound interest, then validation means to know whether it is finding the correct compound interest or not. If a solution is then it will validates with the help of test data as discussed in previous section. Example 1. Let's assume that you go to a pizza shop and order a chicken pizza. You state your requirement that it should be less spicy. You also expect that it would taste good. When the pizza arrives, you can observe that it is a chicken pizza. This is called verification. Now, when you eat the pizza, you can check whether it is less spicy or not. It tastes good or not. This is called validation. Example 2. Let's assume that you are asked to write an algorithm that takes as input a list of numbers. The algorithm should display the list arranged in ascending order. After writing the algorithm, you submit it to your teacher. Your teacher provides a list of numbers to the algorithm. If your algorithm displays a list of numbers, then it is verified. Instead, if your algorithm displays an answer in yes or no, or displays something else, then it is not verified. If your algorithm is verified, your teacher moves to the next step of validation. He checks whether the list of numbers displayed are actually in ascending order or not. If the list is in ascending order and no element is missing, then your solution is also validated.